Do anybody has any problems with this OSC stuff? Like mistakes or something? Like, sorry, errors from the program? No?
When I have connected one time, do I first have to disconnect again?
Usually it should just disconnect and connect again. But if you have problems with the OSC, I would recommend that you go and you just make this. Like, you go to the UDP send, and then a good way to restart is just delete the last letter. It's faster, you know, like just delete the last letter and put it again. And then this will recreate the program, basically, recreate the socket. And so I have an example here. Here I have my patch. This is another program, okay? This program is called MaxMSP. And you can see, if you have taken this course, you can manage MaxMSP really quickly because it's exactly the same. Well, not exactly the same, but it looks so similar and it's the same. You can check it looks the same. And let's send it. Actually, my port here is UDP receive 6666. So let's go back and change this thing to localhost 6666. Let's connect it now. And it's connecting to port, and they should be right. Yeah, 1. And then let's send 1. And we can see, can you see maybe there the little box? How can I make this smaller? Okay, this is another program, and you can see that here I am sending 1, remember? And here I'm routing 1, the message 1, yes? And here you can see that I am moving this, and then it's changing in the other program dynamically, you see? If I put port 777 here, then I won't receive anymore because I am receiving another port. Oh, never mind.
Do you need four numbers?
You need to disconnect it. I have to disconnect it first. Huh?
Do you need 4 numbers for the port address?
Yes. Yes. You need 4 numbers for the port address. So this is so let's change here, instead of 1, let's put 2. And let's move it here, and then you can see that the 2 is moving here in the Ableton Live. Yeah. And so on. We can put 3, and this, in this case, 3 is untyped. Yep. You can see that we can send also floats. Here we are sending floats. And yeah, this is the first way of doing UDP communication with OSC. The second one, which maybe is easier, is to use the object send OSC. This is another library. My God, it's so. Why is so low? Okay, let's put it up.
Sorry, how do I import to see? Like just bang or?
No, you have to use this object. Create a new object and call it import and the library OSC.
Yeah, I did that. And now?
That's it. When you create the object, you are importing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't work.
Yeah, it's not. Oh, but because you have to create the import OSC and import Mr. Peach, but if it's red, then write it again. Like, okay, like I wrote UDP send here, just delete it, like SN, and create it again, and it should be blue. Like, just delete the object and redo it again, and it should work. And this is the other way that I was going to show you. It's really similar. It's very, very similar. And yeah, I think it's simpler because it has just your send OSC. You don't have to make pack or UDP send or something. It already has this called send OSC. And yeah, it's the same kind of messages. You have to put send / the address and the value you want to use. And to receive messages, we can use dump OSC, which is the counterpart of send OSC. And yeah, it's the same routing scheme that we are using. Everything clear there? Okay, so I will use my cell phone now to give an example of interaction with cell phone. Okay. So I told you that there are other programs that you can use to send OSC messages. No, not yet. No, cancel. Let me check if this is just working. No, I think I have to restart this. The first one is that I used this free plugin called Control OSC, and I can put the web page there. I mean, there are many really. I was telling you this at the beginning. This is the website of the creator. It's called Charlie Roberts, and the plugin is called Control OSC. And maybe you can just Control OSC. If you go Control OSC, there should be a page of Android also, like this one. And this one is free. However, it's old and it's buggy, unfortunately, but it still works. And yeah, you should install it if you have Android. If you have iPhone, I would recommend the other one I told you also in the syllabus. Let's just put it here. It's faster. Touch. It's called Touch OSC. And this one is really nice. Like, it has very polished interface and very shiny, and it's very nice. It looks like this, so it's really nice. And yeah, you can download this one if you want. There is also videos and so on, and how to set it up as well. You can create even your own interfaces and so on. There are other ones, like let me just check it out here. Yeah, if you go to the Google Store, you will see My OSC, OSC Commander, Control OSC, Live Control Pro, Quick OSC, I don't know, Touch though. There are thousands, but the only thing they do is send these messages. So you can even create yours. It's not so hard, but or you can just use one of these free ones. I mean, it's up to you. And 1 second. So maybe we'll make a pause now, so you can download it, or like if you have any questions, and I also want to drink some of this. Let's make a pause, small pause, like 10 minutes. Oh, I am recording this. I will stop it right now because.